In this video, you will learn how to fix Apple Store billing problem. Many people have trouble when they try to make in-app purchases. This can be very frustrating, especially if you want to buy something quickly. Fortunately, there are some simple steps you can take to resolve them. To start fixing this problem, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you find Screen Time. Tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the Screen Time menu and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If prompted, enter your Screen Time passcode if one has been set. Here, you'll see various options that control what content can be accessed on your device. Tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. In this menu, look for an option labeled In-App Purchases. Tap on it. If this setting is currently set to Don't Allow, it will prevent any transactions from being processed in apps or games you may want to purchase items from. To fix the Apple Store billing problem, simply change this setting from Don't Allow to Allow. Once you've made this adjustment, exit out of Settings and try making a purchase again through the App Store or within an application. If changing these settings doesn't resolve the issue immediately, there are additional steps that can be taken. Ensure that your payment method is valid and up to date. Check for any pending updates for iOS, sometimes updating can fix bugs. If using family sharing, ensure that permissions are correctly set for family members. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.